Jinan Goldmark CNC Machinery Company Limited. The company is a high-tech enterprise and professional manufacturer in Jinan. Its main products include fiber laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, laser marking machine, CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine, jewelry welding machine, mold welding machine, and related accessories. Our equipment covers metal and non-metallic plate and pipe cutting, steel processing, hardware and furniture, metal welding and cleaning, kitchen utensils manufacturing, plain and whole maintenance and care, cultural relics and wood cleaning, home appliance industry, arts and crafts processing, leather and clothing processing, architectural modeling, education and medical treatment, advertising, signs, and other industries. We have a professional design, sales, production, and after-sales service team. Have strict quality control and professional customer service. Our products have obtained the European CE certificate. In addition, we also have our own SGS and ISO 9001 certificates. Our products are widely sold all over the world, selling very well in North America, South America, Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Australia, and other regions, and have won the praise of our customers. We also welcome OEM services. We will expand our international market share with high-quality products, high-quality services, reasonable prices, and timely delivery. Welcome buyers from all over the world. Let us work together for mutual benefits. Goldmark Laser is always ready to provide you with better solutions.